Nawr te, amser I weld i'r gwestair
That's the one.
gyntaf.
Yeah.
OK. Ifan Jones Evans.
Yeah, Ifan Jones Evans. Mae e'n dod o Ystrad Meurig, Ceredigion, a mae e'n byw ar fferm gyda'i deulu.
Aha.
Lives on a farm with his family.
Farm.
Now, mae e hefyd wedi cyflwyno rhaglenni cyflwynydd.
Presenter.
Mae wedi cyflwyno rhaglenni fel Mosquito, y Porthmon, y Goetchfawr, Rhasys.
Lots.
Yeah, lots. A mae'n gweithio ar radio hefyd. Ec2, Radio Cymru.
Fi'n nabod ar Ec2.
Good. So we can ask him about farming, ffarmio, and hefyd cyflwyno. Absolutely. So, should we have a look at some of the patterns?
Let's have a go. Let's
have a go.
OK, I'm excited.
Now then, screen in.
Screen in.
OK. Routine. Now, routine. You are. Now, this can be a statement. Routine ffermio, routine cyflwyno.
OK,
right?
You're a presenter.
Yeah, routine.
Do you roll your R's?
Well, you are, or there's something you do. You are a. And routine dali, you were still.
You are still,
Yeah,
okay.
You're still present. Routine dali. Now, have a look at this. Routine, right? If we drop the R, take the R away, and it becomes a question. Oitin.
Oh, OK.
OK, oitin. The problem with that is that you have routine and oitin that can also be a statement. So you have to rely on your voice. You can say routine ffarmio, but you can also say oitin ffarmio.
So it's important to roll your R?
Well, it's important to roll your R, but to use your voice, your intonation is important because it's either a statement or a question. So you have to rely a little bit on the voice.
Oh, right, OK. Routine.
Yes. Let's have a look at the screen nesa. Pa, nawr ten, which. Now, normally, pa un, pa anifeiliaid. What animals?
Animals.
Yeah. Now, what usually is beth, isn't it? Beth anifeiliaid,
yes.
But we can't use beth here. We have to use pa. Which?
Pa.
Which animals?
Is.
Pa anifeiliaid.
Pa anifeiliaid.
Yeah, pa anifeiliaid. Wyt ti'n hoffi o. Pa raglenni. Now, notice after the pa, what do we have? Treiglad, which one? Pa raglenni. A soft.
A soft mutation.
A soft, yeah. Pa raglenni. Wyt ti'n cyflwyno. We can ask him that. Pin, from pa un, which is pa un ydi dy hoff. We've had dy hoff, haven't we? What was the hoff? Favourite.
Pa un dy hoff.
Pa un ydi dy hoff.
So it would be pin ydi dy hoff.
Pin ydi dy hoff. Anifail.
Anifail.
Yeah.
What's your favourite animal?
Pin ydi dy hoff. Raglen, even.
Raglen. What's your favourite series?
Yeah. And pin wyt ti'n hoffi fwyaf, biggest. Which one do you like the most?
The most.
Pa un wyt ti'n hoffi fwyaf?
Cyflwyno.
Neu gyflwyno.
Gyflwyno.
It's full of soft mutations.
It's full of mutations.
Yeah.
I'm going to skate over it. It's a Sunday.
I'm
a little bit tired.
Matter.
I was in a club last night till quite late.
Were you?
I let it go, possibly.
It's my job to tell you, but let it go.
It is your job to tell me.
It's my job to tell you.
We're not on the Senedd now.
No, we're not.
OK? We're on a sofa.
We're on the sofa.
Paned. Nice.
Absolutely.
Soft mutation, but I will take it seriously at some point.
Are you ready for this then?
You're barod.
Good.
Ti'n barod?